Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining us here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, do me another favor and leave me a like on it. Thanks a lot for coming here. And actually, we're going to jump into this today. Well, right now we're talking about a platform that we use to start earning recurring revenue. And that's this platform right here. You can see this number. I'm just going to refresh this for you so that you can see that this is real. This is just our 2 weeks, but let's go to our 30-day. So this is our this is what we've been able to make over the last 30 days, and I'm actually teaching you guys how to do this yourself on this channel. That's what this step-by-step series is that you're clicking on right now. You're going to be able to jump right in, get started. This is actually our second video of the series, and we're just going to continue on with this and add more videos to it so that you guys can learn exactly how I go about making money with this channel. But this is or with this program, and it works very, very well. It's beginner friendly, super easy to get involved with. And if you guys decide that you want to join, down in the description of the video you will find a link right at the very top that says click here to get started. Just click that link, jump in, and then you guys can jump into this training. Okay, again, I said this was video day number 2, so we're gonna actually jump into the training right now, and feel free to jump in and follow. Or if this is your first time watching this video, head back over to video number 1 so that you can see the walkthrough of the platform and how it works and everything like that, and then you guys can jump in yourself. Okay, all right, let's jump into the video today. So in the last video we got prepared here, and we actually set up our accounts to start emailing. That's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to just walk through that again. We're going to walk through the emailing process. We want to, if you remember, we want to jump into this platform. It's the MLGS platform. If you don't have this, go ahead, down in the video description you will find a link to MLGS, and you guys can sign up there, and we're going to jump in here and we're going to start sending out our email for today. Okay, now we're going to get into some more training as we go along, but for now I want you guys to get a good solid understanding of how we're using this platform and how easy it is to do this on a daily basis. We want to keep this relatively quick. We don't want to be spending too much time doing this every day, so otherwise it's just like working a full-time job, and that's not what we're after. Obviously we're trying to work online to make money, and this is the best way to do that. So let's just open up our link right here. If we scroll down from our Sam cart, where you guys would already know how to sign up for this from the first video, and once you're signed up, this is where you would be. Let me just pull that up real quick. I'm just going to pull up the members area so that I can show you guys how to get signed in. Okay, and then it'll make more sense, right? So we're over here in the affiliate zone. This is our members area. After you sign up, you're in the affiliate zone. Let's walk through this real quick before we jump into our emails. Okay, so in this affiliate zone, again, from the first video I had said you guys really need to go through this step by step. This step by step is going to get you your login credentials to this Sam cart, and this is what controls our affiliate. This is basically our affiliate dashboard. It holds all of our links, all of our affiliate links, and we need these links to get paid. If you remember from the last video, we added it to our email, and we send that out with the emails, and that way we can get paid. Okay, but you can get all that from going over here to the members area and following this setup, right? So we go to the affiliate zone. Once we're in our members area, we go to the affiliate zone over on the right hand side, and you can scroll down and just start doing all these step-by-step just follow the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. There's only 4 of them, right? So this is the step 1, step 2, scroll down a little bit, step 3, and step 4. And for this part up here where you get to step 2, and it's asking for an autoresponder, I can leave a link for that as well if you guys want in the video description. and you guys can use that link to set up your autoresponder the way that this shows you how to set it up if you want to do that, right? I'm going to go through a different type of training for you, but first just go through, set all this up, and then then you'll be good to go and we can jump into this. Another thing that I wanted to talk about actually while we're sitting here in the members area, when you guys first sign up, it's only $25 to get started, but one of the things that they offer for affiliates in this program is they offer this premium. Right here you can see where it says premium, HBA premium. So that is the upgrade that they offer you when you're first getting started. I can show you what it looks like. When we jump over here, it's going to look like this. When you scroll down and you click the button to get started, you're going to see this after you enter your information for the $25. You can, let's see, where's the, shows right here for $25. When you're entering your information, right below it, you'll see this yellow box right here, and it'll ask you, hey, do you want to upgrade to the premium? The premium is $125 per month. Now, you do not have to have that to make money. You can start earning on this $25. But one of the things that I wanted to touch on here is about 95% of the people that sign up for this actually use this premium subscription, okay? With that premium subscription, you get the same amount of commissions. So if you remember, on the $25, you're getting a $20 commission. That's an 80% commission. And the same goes for this. So on the $125, you're actually receiving a $100 commission. So for each person that you sign up, that's $120 that you can make per person, and that's recurring every single month, right? So that's something to consider here. But what that gives you, and I know we talked about it a little bit, but it gives you this premium right here. Now, this premium has a ton of extra training. It has live coaching. It has a premium members area that you guys can go talk with the owners and the different people that are excelling in the company. In my mind, it is 100% worth it, because those first 2 weeks, you get it for free. See, you can see right here, you can have it for free for 2 full weeks. So why not accept that at least for for those first 2 weeks? You can go through and see if you like the benefit of having it. If you see a benefit, you may get a couple sales coming in by then, and then you'll see, you know, well, obviously that's worth it, right? Because you only need a sale or two, a couple sales, and then that pays for itself, right? And actually you're making a profit at that point. So there's a huge benefit, in my opinion, to use that, and that's just something I wanted to touch on in this video a little bit. But now let's just jump into the actual, excuse me, the actual training itself. So we're all set up just like before, how I told you to go through, set everything up. You're ready to go. You got your dashboard here that you can start using your affiliate links on, and you we're gonna open up this page right here. And to get there, again, remember, it's the all-in-one $25 business. You can see it right here. We just click this link there, and that's gonna open up this page for us. And this is what we're gonna use to send out our emails. I want to show you the best way to start sending emails. Because I'm going to tell you why, but we're going to actually write our own emails. The reason that we're going to write our own emails is because with email servers, if people are copying emails, you maybe have heard of email swipes. People have a lot of email swipes that they give away. If people are using multiple email swipes, maybe 1,000 people are using these email swipes, then email servers get used to those swipes and they start shutting down, or they won't allow your email to go through. Okay. So we want to write our own emails so that we keep our server good, and that's what this is right here. MLGS is our emailing system that we're using. Okay, so let's just jump into it today and start looking for an email. Another thing that we want to open up, and I know I showed you before, but I like to open up a doc. So you can go to docs.google.com, open up a Google Doc, and we can just use this doc for getting our email ready. Let me just write this in. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back over here to this page. That's the page that we clicked through from our affiliate link. And we're just going to look for something appealing, right? All that we need for our emailing, if we go to our email system, right, MLGS, and we click on the mailing system, all that we need is a subject line and a body of an email. Okay, so we can add that to this sheet right here. Subject, subject, body. Okay, So we need to get these two things figured out. So a subject should be something that's kind of intriguing. So we're going to look for something that kind of stands out here. And let's see what we can do. Let's see. Right here. Well, actually, right here. This is what we're going to use. We're going to use this one right here. It says, get you to 100K per year in 12 months or less. That's going to be our subject line. And we're just going to enter it here. Oh. And let's see what else we got that we can add for the body of our email. This will work. And now let's kind of just change this around a little bit. Actually, I'm getting you to 100K per year income, whether you're working or not, is the goal. This is possible here with as few as just 1 to 2 sales per week. Very few, if any, business models can get you to a yearly 100K income more quickly. Let's separate this. We just want to kind of clean it up a little bit and make it look nice, something like this. And then we're going to keep it really short and just keep this like this, right? Sometimes you can add more information in email, but sometimes it does good just having something short. And I really like short emails with this, especially with cold emailing, because these people don't typically know who you are that you're sending an email to. So we're going to add one other thing here. If you can see right here, I wrote, hey. We want to personalize this. So we're going to go up to the mailing system, and we're going to scroll down here, and you're going to see some personalizations right here, okay? You can see that these will replace whatever comes up. It'll add their information. So if we add the first name, if we copy this, and this is first name right here, we can go add this right here, and it says, hey, first name. So it's going to actually pull their name when it emails them. So it's like, hey, Bob, getting you to 100K per year income, whether you're working or not, is the goal. Yeah. We're going to put click here to learn more. And for this is where we're going to be adding our link. So we're just going to go over here to our affiliate page, and we're going to be copying our link next to the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. We're going to copy this. We're going to go up here, paste it in. So right click. First you highlight it, then you right click, click insert link, paste it in, and click apply. And then we'll just put best name. Okay, this is exactly what we're going to use to send. So now we're just going to head up to the mailing system, or actually let's copy this first. We're going to copy the subject line, head over to the mailing system, paste in the subject line, go back over here to the email we wrote. We're going to copy the body, back to the mailing system. Now you have to highlight this, clear it out, hold down Control and press V, and that pastes it in for you, okay? Next, let's go up to the top and just make sure we have everything checked off. So what we're going to be doing is selecting all of our leads. We're going to make sure that our subject line's in, make sure our body's in. We want to put our name in here. Click on perfect timing, and then we can go ahead and send that email. All right. Now, if you remember what I said before, we want to be using, if you can, what I like to use is 5 of these accounts, okay? The reason that I use 5 of these accounts is because each account gives you 100 leads to email every day, okay? When you have 5 accounts, you can actually double that number. You can see right here where it says 200 leads. Now, I walked through this in the last video, but I want to stress it. The difference between 100 leads per day to 1,000 leads per day is 10 times, right? So that means we're sending 10 times the amount of emails. In a year, that's 365,000 emails that we're sending. Or two, like that's how many people we're sending to. It's truly an impressive number when you have 5 of these accounts. Now, if you're on a budget and you can't afford those 5 accounts, I totally understand. That's not, at least try to get 1 or 2 so that you can start using these to market with, okay? Because these work extremely well, especially over time, okay? But that being said, let me show you an easy way to send the second email, okay? So we're just going to stay on the page that we just sent from. You can see all of the information is still here. We're going to go up to the top. We're going to right click. We're going to hit duplicate. We are going to come down here, hit, go over here to account and log out. Click on members login right up here, and then we can sign in with our second account. We're going to click on mailing system, select all of our leads. We're going to go back over to our original one that we first sent from. We're going to copy our subject line, back over to this one, paste in our subject line, back over to the first one, copy the body, back over here, erase that, and press Control V, paste in the body, hit perfect timing, and send the email. Okay, so that's just a faster way of doing it. Because we've written it on a document, and added the link, it's also fine to use this. We can just, open up our second account and come back over here, but that's just how I do it to make it quicker. And there you go. So you want to carry on with the rest of your emailing systems as well, right? So do all 5 of them if you're using 5, or if you're using 2, just send them all at the same time. That way tomorrow you can come back and send them again, and you've had more leads. You can see how they stack up. Every day you get more and more leads that you're emailing, and this works extremely well, especially later on down the road when you really have all of these leads coming in. But that's going to be it for today. That's all that we're walking through. Now we're going to be adding some more things here shortly, some more options for automation, or some different paid advertising methods. We're going to get into that here shortly, and we're going to really actually go in depth into this training, and I'm going to show you the best way to start doing affiliate marketing with this. I think you're really going to enjoy it. So that being said, thanks a lot for watching. If you guys have any questions, please reach out in the comments. Make sure that you like the video, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified when the next video drops. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.